Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find a friend on Instagram. Let's get to it. First of all, open your Instagram app on your phone. And here I have my Instagram opened. And what we're going to do next is clicking on this search button on the bottom of your screen. Then you have to type the name of your friend. But you have to click on this search button first, right here. Tap on it. Then you have to type your friend's name. For example, like this. And there will be several results for you, and you can check it one by one. And you can click on see all result right here. And you have to choose account to find the account of your friend. Alright. Okay guys, that's how we can find a friend on Instagram. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.